thing is freaking disgusting. And then knife to try to like scrape some of the shit off from like the top that I can't seem to get off with the sponge. This is gonna take me all freaking day. I might be here for a while. I don't really understand how to clean the top of it. I'm scrubbing, but it's not doing anything really. This is so gross. If you don't clean your microwave like on a weekly basis, I seriously suggest you doing it starting now, because this shit is like, oh, it just splashed on me. Fucking gross. Like, seriously disgusting. I need like a Brillo pad or something, but you know, you gotta work with what you got. So, Brillo pad is not in the works right now. So, the sponge will just have to do. I don't really know how to like get the corners and shit. Like, there's shit even in like the corners. It's nasty. I don't know that I'm gonna be able to clean the top because it's just not really like, how do you apply pressure to the top? Somebody. Oh, I might have to use, oh, my nail, that's gross, but it's not coming off with the sponge, so I got some of it. Ew. So nasty. At this point, I just want to even freaking buy a new microwave. This is so gross. I think I slightly have one side done.